Let's solve an engineering services question based on the Rao-Hurwitz method and from control system subject. So dear student, here question says that while forming the route array, the situation of row of zeros indicate that the system has. प्यारे बच्चों, जब भी रो ऑफ जीरोज राउट टेबल में आता है, it means roots are symmetrical with respect to origin. Those symmetrical roots can be on the real axis or it can be on the imaginary axis. जब वो रियल एक्सेस पे होंगे तो कुछ इस तरह से सिमेट्रिकल होंगे. सिमेट्रिकल मींस हैविंग मिरर इमेज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ओरिजिन. सिमिलरली सिमेट्रिकल रूट्स कैन बी लाई ऑन इमेजिनरी एक्सेस बिकॉज ये जी ओमेगा एक्सेस है और ये सिग्मा. सिमिलरली आप बोल सकते हो कि सर रूट्स कैन बी लाइक दिस सिमेट्रिकल वे ऑन रियल एक्सेस और ऑन इमेजिनरी एक्सेस. तो जब भी इन द Rao-Hurwitz मेथड case number 3 it means row of zeros occur, it indicates that a root must be symmetrical with respect to origin. Those symmetrical roots can be on imaginary, can be on real. So here the correct answer is has the symmetrical located roots only. Correct answer option A only. Is it stable? Wrong. Insensitive? Wrong. Asymmetrical? Wrong. Now student, based on this concept, can you solve this question that has been asked in GATE exam electrical 2014? In the formation of Rao-Hurwitz array, all the elements of row have zero values. It means again the question of R of Z. And row of zeros says that roots must be symmetrical with respect to origin on the S plane. Acha, symmetrical roots can be on imaginary, can be on real also. Is this clear? And its reverse is also true. It means if symmetrical roots lie on S plane, then must be row of zeros occur in the route table. Okay, so its reverse is also true, dear student. If row of zeros occur, it indicates symmetrical roots. Symmetrical roots with respect to origin in the S plane also indicate that row of zeros must be there in the RH table. Okay, now coming to this question guys, this premature termination of the array indicates the presence of. अब आपको ये देखना है only one roots at origin wrong, only positive roots wrong, only negative roots wrong. Here A, C, D is incorrect. That is the only reason option B is correct, because option B is saying that imaginary roots and imaginary roots by default travel in conjugate only. जब भी आप imaginary roots को ड्रॉ करोगे तो वो conjugate के फॉर्म में होते हैं और conjugate हमेशा origin के रेस्पेक्ट में सिमेट्रिकल होगा. It is not the best answer. It is the we can say that accurate answer is what? It can be symmetrical on imaginary axis, it can be symmetrical on real axis also. But यहाँ पे चार ऑप्शन में से जो बेस्ट अवेलेबल ऑप्शन है वो यही है. यहाँ बी ऑप्शन करेक्ट होने का रीजन केवल एक है कि ए, सी और डी रॉन्ग है. बिकॉज ए, सी एंड डी आर रॉन्ग, दैट इज द ओनली रीजन ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट हियर.